Imagine waking up to the news that Kenya has finally removed the death penalty from its laws. The truth is, no one's been executed here since 1987. In 2017, the Supreme Court called the mandatory death sentence unconstitutional, saying every person deserves a chance at a fair hearing, not automatic death. The court argued that justice should balance punishment with the possibility of reform, that no sentence should silence a human story before it's heard. Human rights groups had long pushed for that change. They said the death penalty doesn't deter crime, it just repeats the violence it's meant to stop. They also warned of errors, innocent people sentenced to die by a system that can't undo mistakes. Religious leaders joined in, calling it un-African to deny redemption. Over time, every Kenyan president since the 80s has commuted death sentences to life, quietly turning punishment into mercy. But the law still lingers. Death penalty provisions remain on the books, even though Kenya has already chosen not to use them. So what if Parliament finally abolished it altogether? Thousands on death row would have their sentences reviewed. Kenya would join more than 20 African nations that have already ended it. Supporters say it's about human dignity, that justice shouldn't depend on vengeance. Critics argue it could weaken deterrence. Yet after nearly 40 years without an execution, Kenya has already made its choice. The only question left is, when will the law catch up to reality?